Baby, you ready for school?
I'm ready, but my lunch money not ready yet.
Baby, why you look so tired first day?
Come I wake up 5 o'clock to shine my shoes, and me still late. Them ask what inside my bag. My whole future.
Baby, why you love most about back to school?
The crap clean, my step in a class and my foot them louder than my book.
Baby, what inside there?
My mommy said I must budget till Friday. Pencil so big, cause me not let nobody this year. Last year my pencil disappear like thief in the night.
How you feel with the fresh cut?
Like me a perfect already, me just need the badge.
Baby, what you think about homework first day?
Them can't wait till tomorrow? Yeah!